Okay. So, problem number 6 says y equals negative 4/3 x plus 5. We know y equals mx plus b. M is negative 4/3 and b is 5. Now, we should have in our writing somewhere that b is the y-intercept, right? B is equal to the y-intercept, which equals 5. So where would I graph that?
Right there. Right on the graph.
On the y-axis, right? At 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Then what should I do? In what direction am I going? Where is the negative? Is it in front of the 4 or is it in front of the 3? Does it matter? Yeah. Can it be in both of them?
No. It can't. Oh, yes.
It can't be in both. It can't be in both of them. Right? But it can be in one or the other. It can't be in both at the same time, I should say, right?
Yeah.
It can be both of them, but only one or the other at one time. Let's explain that. First way, let's do it in purple. Can this be negative 4/3?
No.
Yes.
Yes. Can this be negative 4/3?
Yes.
Okay? So let's explain these. Is this up or down? Okay. Is this right or left? Up or down? Huh? Up or down? Right or left?
Left.
Okay? Remember, the top is rise or run. Up or down. Top is rise. Up or down. The bottom is run. Left or right. Okay? So, from this point, I'm going to go down 4 and right 3. Or I'm going to go up 4 and left 3. Either way, I stay on the line.
Liar.
Okay? Now I'm going to show you a little trick to remember this. Do you see how this slope is negative because it goes down from left to right? You see that?
Yes.
It's going down. This one's going up, so it's a positive slope. Okay? It goes up from left to right, so it's positive. Does that make sense? Right? This is the one that confuses students. Okay? This one is no solution. Okay? It looks like a window. Like what I say to them is jumping out the window is no solution. Right? Exactly. So no solution. Okay? And I use that no solution as a nose ring. This is what happens when x is equal to a number. When x equals 5, x equals 6, x equals 22, whatever. Okay? Then there's this guy. The floor. The floor, we like to say the floor is level. Right? What does that mean when the desk is level? Right? It means there's no slope, right? Yeah. Wrong. There's a slope. The slope is what?
Oh, no.
The slope is
undefined.
0.
Oh, shit.
On a wall, the slope is undefined. Look, it won't hold a pin.
Yeah, it will.
It won't hold anything.
Put glue on it.
Okay? But a table or a floor holds things. Because the slope is 0. It holds them still. Right? Okay? And this is the face of slopes. This is the dimple, right? So we got a y equals is a dimple, okay? Okay, so the y equals 5 looks like the mouth. X equals 5 looks like the nose. Okay? Those are the hardest ones, believe me. Students miss those more than any of them. Okay? And the reason is this. Which way does X go? Goes like this, right? But when you get X equals 5, what way does the line go? Goes up and down. It does what the Y does. Okay? With the Y goes up or down. But when you get Y equals 6, it goes like this. Y is negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Y is always negative 3. If X is 10, Y is negative 3. If X is 15, Y is negative 3. Wherever X is, Y is negative 3. Okay? So that means it's a line like this. If we talk about X equals 5, then we're talking about right here. X is always 5. Does that make sense? So this is X is 5, this is Y equals negative 3. These are two different lines.
Yes, sir.
Make sense?
Yes.
Getting there?
Then real.